want to solve this, we have t to the power of t further raised to the power of 4 to be equal to 64. So for us to begin, let's multiply the powers by 4 to have t to the power of t to the power of 4 all to the power of 4 is equal to 64 to the power of 4. Now when we have a to the power of m further raised to the power of n, this is the same as a to the power of m times n. So we'll have t to the power of t further raised to the power of 4 times 4 all equal to, we have 64 all to the power of 4. So we have t, when we multiply the powers here, we have 4 times, this is t to the power of 4, we have t to the power of 4 all equal to 64 to the power of 4. We have t to the power of 4 further raised to the power of t to the power of 4, and this is equal to 64 to the power of 4. So let our t to the power of 4 be equal to x. So this will be x, and our t to the power of 4 is x, which is equal to 64 to the power of 4. So our 64 is equal to, is the same as 8 to the power of 2. We have x to the power of x is equal to 8 to the power of 2 further raised to the power of 4. So we have x to the power of x is equal to, multiplying the powers here, we have 8 to the power of 8. So when we have a to the power of a is equal to n to the power of n, provided that n is greater than 0, this implies that a is equal to n. So we have this to be x is equal to 8. But let's recall that our x is equal to t to the power of 4. So we have t to the power of 4 is equal to, our x is 8, we have 8. So multiplying both sides, we have t to the power of 4 multiplying by 1 over 4, we have 8 to the power of 1 over 4. So this multiplying this, we have that t is equal to the 4th root of 8. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.